In this video, we're going to cover how to turn off the clapping sound effect in Engage. There are two ways to clap in Engage. In VR, if you mind clapping with your controllers, a sound effect will play to mimic clapping. The second way is to use the emoji options in your menu. If you want to turn off the sound effect that plays when users are clapping, open up your menu and go to the Host Controls tab. Then go to Session Settings, scroll down, and toggle off Clapping SFX. Users will still be able to trigger the clapping emojis over their heads, but these will now be silent.